These foods will clean your arteries naturally and reduce cholesterol, which will help prevent a heart attack. Having healthy arteries means preventing the likelihood of heart attacks and strokes. The British Heart Foundation notes that there are those who have blocked arteries are simply unaware of it. They only became aware of it once they develop symptoms like angina or claudication. Sadly, the first time that someone realizes they suffer from this is when they experience something like a stroke or a heart attack. Citrus fruit. Citrus fruit was found to have significantly reduced systolic blood pressure. It also reduces stenosis. Back in the 18th century, they even used citrus to treat scurvy, eating oranges and grapefruits in particular. According to a study by the University of Southern California Department of Preventing Medicine's, foods that are high in viscous fiber protect your arteries and clogging. Fish. The first food that you should start consuming more is fish. Fish has a ton of healthy omega-3 fatty acids. These acids are known to have positive influences on blood cholesterol levels, which ultimately leads to clogged arteries. In a study done by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, it was found that women who ate 2 or more servings of a fatty fish had better cardiovascular health. Some fish you can turn on are tuna, trout, mackerel, and salmon. Flax seeds. If you are not a fan of flax seeds, you should start getting used to them. They have ton of health benefits to them. One is helping the health of your arteries. A study published in the Canadian Journal of Cardiology concluded that flaxseed could have strong beneficial effects in the primary and secondary prevention of cardiovascular disease. Flax seeds have omega-3 fatty acids, fiber that boosts heart health. Pomegranates, both in the laboratory and in clinical studies, pomegranate has proven to avert a number of pathological changes that are associated with cardiovascular disease. Green tea. According to healthharvard.edu, there has been a number of studies that have looked at the possible link between green tea and cardiovascular disease. A study of 40,530 Japanese adults found that those who drank more than 5 cups of green tea a day had a 26% lower risk of death from heart attack or stroke and a 16% lower risk of death from all causes than people who drank less than 1 cup of green tea a day. Walnuts. A study conducted by Yale University found that eating about 8 shelled walnuts worked better than olive oil at protecting arteries from damage that can flow a meal high in saturated fat.